Our project, G-Critic, is going to create a platform for new and hardcore gamers to communicate with each other and get access to new released games, and for sellers to gain the customers' feelings. Here we choose Frank as a typical objective user. He wants to gain the information and engage with the Steam community. He has some key requirements which we will describe. Here is the home page, and there is multiple information. He wants to know what game is new and popular recently. The first thing catch his sight is the introduction video from the typical games. Then he sees the top 5 games underneath. More popular games has been shown after that. So all of the picture and the information of games are updated by the Steam API real time. Frank wants to log in to make some comment, so here he wants to do it quickly, so he chooses login with the GitHub. Then he has been successful login, and there is a logout you can see. Frank wants to find some games in adventure category, so he clicks the games button and finds the adventure. Then he clicks that, it will take him to adventure game page. To access a specific game, Frank can type the game name in the search bar like that. So if he type nothing, it will want error and turn red. So if we turn in something, and there will be red and green. So also he can use app ID to run the search again, or he can easily just type the button of the game. It will take him to the detailed page. Detail page with the screenshots of the games and the introduction parts, the language, and the requirements of this game. All the information is real time by API. So, and also he can see the release time and the categories. So Frank has played it last night, so he wants to make some comments and share his experience. He thinks it's really good, so he clicked like. And he wants to make some comments. He said, "I enjoy this game," and click submit. So you can see there's a first and the twice, and it will warn you have already committed twice. So this is to prevent the spamming comments. This is a limit for each users can only make 2 comments for each games. Here is the development challenge we have faced. We have no experience in Ajax, JavaScript, and Python. We also need to know the different using of API, including Steam and GitHub, and also the open source database. Here is the system agriculture diagram. We have changed the Twitter API into GitHub API, and also we have removed Google API. We use the Ajax instead to run the search function. The ER diagram, we have removed some part like we have mentioned, but mostly we have finished our initial sorts. And here is a walking through of the sitemap. We have changed the categories to more text, and we add the function by into the searching. We can use the name and ID. Our URL, similarly like the sitemap, we have removed something and add something. We have mostly finished our design. Here is the overview technology we have used, including Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, Steam API, and GitHub API. Here is our technical points. We have mentioned most of that in our video earlier, but for more information, you can get access to our GitHub to see the detailed information. This is our future direction. Currently, our rating system only contains a like or dislike. We don't think this is a very complete function to show like the different degree of the user's feeling. So in the future, we may need to add a 5-star rating system of games for gamers. We want to create a community that all the users can talk to each other and find the users with the same interests. It's not that popular or they played early, they cannot figure out what is the name of the game, but they can come out with the game role names by using the game role's name. Last, we want to add the wishlist in users' account. This represents very personal interest, and we believe this can help users to find the other users with the same interest.